Hi, this is Catherine Worley, and I just would like to go over the grading policy for Math 095. First of all the homework assignments are due at midnight on Sunday. So you have a few different types of homework assignments, but there's just one due date. I think it's 11:59 on Sunday night. And I would recommend that you get a jump drive to save your PDF files, save your Excel spreadsheets, your completed Excel spreadsheets, because if something gets lost, we don't want you to have to recreate, redo any of the homeworks. So basically, there are 3 different types of homework assignments that you're going to have, and then there are also quizzes and tests and a final. The first type of homework is called online homework. That is through Connect Math, and those are lesson homeworks that will go over the underlying algebra or geometry or statistics needed for you to understand the problem. So that homework is online, and those sections are each worth 2 points. So if it's completed on time, if it's done on time and complete, you'll get the 2 points for those assignments. Then there's also the tech homework, and that's going to be, some of it is on graphing calculator, but most of it is using Microsoft Excel. Such an important skill for you to have. One of the most important things coming out of this class is you will know how to use Microsoft Excel. And they're short assignments, but those Excel assignments are also worth 2 points each. So if you get them done on time, and if they're complete, you'll get the 2 points. Then there are written assignments for each section, for each week, one assignment for each week. And what you're going to do is write out the assignments right out of the book, the textbook, which is like a workbook. You're going to use a free app, Microsoft Lens or Scanner for Me, something to take pictures of your pages and compile them into a single PDF file, and you're going to upload that PDF file into the assignment Dropbox on D2L. They are worth 4 points each. If you get it done on time, you get a point. If it is complete, you'll get a point. And then for the other 2 points, each week I'll pick 2 questions. I'm not going to grade every question, but I'm going to just pick 2 questions. If you get those 2 questions right, you'll get the 2 extra points. See, the thing is, you don't know which 2 I'm going to pick. So you need to do all of the assignment, but you can get up to 4 points for the written assignments. So that's your online homework, your tech homework, and your written assignments. Then there are also quizzes. Quizzes are worth 10 points each. And right now the quizzes that we have are you're to take an orientation quiz, which you can take as often as you want until you get a 10. And I'm also going to use the quiz to take attendance to our Tuesday lectures, Tuesday morning lectures. So you'll get a point every time you attend a lecture, up to 10 points. All right, so you can see there are a few in there. I'm accounting that maybe you might miss some lectures. Now, during the lectures, I'm not actually going to be lecturing what you've gone over on the lectures you've already watched. What I'll be doing is going over hard problems, sample type problems that you'll see on the quiz or on the test. I'll be going over problems that I'm noticing a lot of people are getting wrong on the homeworks, and also, it's a chance for you to ask questions in front of everyone. So those would be your quizzes. They're worth 10 points each. Now, the bulk of your the bulk of your overall grade is going to come from chapter quizzes. There are 4 chapter quizzes, and they're worth 100 points each. So this is where this has the largest effect on your overall grade, is how you do on your chapter tests. And then the one last thing is there's a final, and the final is worth 100 points, which is basically the same as any other test. I don't like to make the final worth too much, because I know finals week can be crazy, and also some people kind of get math anxiety. It's finals week, how am I going to do? Is it going to make or break me? So I try to not weigh the final with an extra heavy weighting. So it's worth 100 points just like any other test. So that's everything you need to know to get a jump on your graded assignments.